Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're going to look at a 2026 Tiffin Open Trail 25 AO. Now this is built on a Mercedes-Benz 3500 series dual rear wheel all-wheel drive chassis. Yes, that's a mouthful, but yes, it's an all-wheel drive dual rear wheel chassis. Now this is set up and looks like you can go off-road and just kind of get off the beaten path. It has the armless Girard awnings on board, a 3000 watt inverter, a 3.2 kilowatt diesel generator, off-road wheel and tire package. Out back here we have a nice large storage compartment that's accessed by 3 doors, one back here, other from the other side, so you can throw bikes or lots of gear. Now there's a nice tough powder coat down here, really help keep the coach protected from stones, etc., that are going to get thrown up if you're going off the beaten path. But really you want to see inside. So again, this is built on a 3500 series Mercedes chassis, so you get all Mercedes electronics up front, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You've got some storage up above, so they've done the overhead cab a little bit differently. We have some storage compartments here that go all the way through. Again, heavy duty hinges, which is nice. I'm glad to see more and more heavier duty hinges here at the Dealer Expo. Nice sofa for sitting, and you'll see right here is a way to attach a dining table. Solid surface countertops and really good storage. Now, it's a little deceiving because they do use a portable induction cooktop, so you can take that outside or place it up here and use it there. Under the sink, let's take a look at the storage. Reasonable storage underneath. Plastic black sink here. And this just stows away to maximize your space. Acrylic windows with your day-night shades. And up top, let's look at the depth of the storage in your kitchen area, because as you get into, you know, this smaller van-sized motorhome, storage is at a premium and space is at a premium, so you want to be able to have a decent amount of storage. We've got a reasonable freezer and fridge, especially seeing that this is a smaller unit. We've got a microwave here, and then I'll spin around because we do have a wet bath. Now the advantage of the wet bath is you can use up your space a little more efficiently. Pluses and minuses. Some ladies hate this, that, you know, I've now showered, my wife's got to come in, use the toilet, and everything's soaked in here if I haven't dried it off yet. We do have a decent little sink, mirror, and some storage down below. Let's give this a little look. And they are a little tougher to use. So we're kind of limited on our storage down below, a little more on this side. And this is actually a metal cabinet. Really locks in place. Want to keep water out of there. I do really like the sleeping area because this is the twin bed setup that you can put an insert in here, put your cushions down, and it becomes a large king size bed. Now, there are storage here that pulls out. They're locked, one on each side. And then some drawers here. A little bit thicker plywood drawers. Being a Tiffin, it looks like they've utilized than some of the competitors. Now as we spin around, we'll show you a forward view here. Overall, a tight little unit put together. You know, if you're getting off the beaten path, you want to stay minimized, but maybe you want a little bit bigger than a van's going to be. This could be an option for you with the all-wheel drive chassis. Anyways, this has been a quick video on the Open Trail 25 AO by Tiffin. Please like and subscribe to the channel. We greatly appreciate it. Leave any comments below, and we'll see you back soon. Take care.